Happening, you guys? Happy Monday. Happy Monday, friends. Good to be here with you. Blue, look at this. Look at this jumper. Swaggy Monday. Yo yo. How was Tokyo? Tokyo smoked this a little bit, but all good. Fire hoodie. I'll spam this hoodie very soon. You got. Yeah, Tokyo was alright. Look at this. Look what gold's been doing. Wow. What's up, you guys? It's hard being an alien. 300 pips. Wow. So we took a buy over here. I'll tell you one thing that's really interesting. A lot of the times when we take these these type 2 positions here, anticipating a continuation to at least fill this range, and it doesn't work out, and you're like, oh man, everything seemed to be like really good. Like it looked like a textbook setup. What you'll notice is this kind of happens after, whereas like it doesn't matter how good the setup was, the market was going to move down today. And yeah, we took a little buy position in here and got stopped out, but that's the game we play. What up, MC? Bro, if the bid large behind you is green, we're bullish. All right, deal. I like this level we're at here. So this is London Open. Yep. I smell another low. Yeah, I could imagine. I could smell a low volume London as well. Yeah. Yeah, I could smell a low volume London, so be prepared for a potential, viewing premiere. What up, Mitch? Taking trades today in Asia? Yeah. I'll show you what's up over here in a minute. I'm just pulling TikTok up. But yeah, I got this kind of level here. I don't know about you guys. Let's have a look. I mean, a break above here could be cool. I might just mark these 2 levels for now, because I know the next level above that is... No, yeah, we've got like 50 pips of range to move there. It's hard being an alien. I'm just going to press live on TikTok right here quickly. How's your surgery? Nah, surgery got, I had to reschedule it to some point in the future that I don't know just yet. But thanks for asking. But yeah, I'll just have to reschedule it. I want to start buying 11. Wait, what? Oh, nice. NJP. Very good. All right. Sorry, guys. Nearly done. All right, dope. What up, Dion? All right, dope. So yeah, I don't know. I've got this level here marked. We'll see. I'm going to be trading this. Why am I so glitchy? I'm going to be trading this 100k account here with Prop XP. Give me honest feedback. All right, let's have a look. It's deleter. Book a one-on-one, Deleter. Let's catch up. Let's catch up. It's been a while. It's been a week or two. What's up, TikTok? Yeah, book one-on-one, Deleter. Let's catch up. Do you like their chart buy stop? Huh? Hey, Carolina. Why do you expect low volume? Just because, like, a lot of the time what you'll notice is when you get, like, a massive move pre-London, and then you come into pre-London, and then you come into London Open, it's almost like price wants to consolidate and just kind of fuel up again before the next move. And unfortunately, we get stuck in that fuel up stage. Yeah. What's up, Space? I'm doing amazing. Yeah, book one in when you're back. Sweet Blue. Sounds good. You're waiting for a break? Yeah, I guess I'll wait for a break. If we can get a break, like I want to sell gold more than anything. What up, Gizmo? I want to sell gold more than anything. If it starts going up, possible new high. Maybe. I try not to personally look at it like that too much in terms of like trade decisions. But yeah, maybe. The first thing I'd want to see is like, what's price going to do when it gets to one of these levels of support? The support's mainly based on this. And resistance is based mainly on this because we've got clean range for 50 pips above that. Yeah, my shit's glitching bad. I don't know why. Is this X trend? No. This is Trading View right here. What up, Team Paul? TP. I like that hoodie. Thank you. If you guys, damn. Yeah, one of my bros sent it to me. This is his brand. HAAKI. Hacky Store. I got some dope stuff. Like the quality of it feels so good as well. Like it's, you know, I like the thick ones, like thick jumpers. None of this Kmart shit. Is that your brand, Blue? Gold going up today with Wall? Well, gold's going down. I said at the start, like this morning, like, you know, although all signs are indicating that we want to move up, you know, we might not do that till Wednesday. Price could come down and dick around here and then move up maybe Wednesday or something. Like it doesn't have to go up today, and it doesn't have to go up in general. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. Sorry, guys. So yeah, let's see how price wants to react over here. I may have just cooked YouTube. YouTube, are you there still? Okay, I think YouTube is still there. All right, sorry guys, worst way to start a stream, but you in Dubai? Nah, not in Dubai yet. Not in Dubai yet. I'm just waiting for a couple of things to come back, and then I'm out of here. And then I got to sell all my shit. Your boy's got to get selling. Selling DeGeneres. Oh, look at this. All right, so I'm moving down over here. What about your dog? No, that was my sister's dog. Yeah, I know. I don't know why the internet's glitching. Me and my new penthouse waiting for you, brother. Yeah, bro, let's connect. Anyone that's from Dubai, let's connect, dude. Unstable internet connection. Yay, everything's going wrong. Can we have a one-on-one done in Oh, my dude. So, man, if this can close below here, I guess I'll be interested in selling gold. Sell the dog? EAI? Yes. I am AI. Wow, this one candle is nearly 100 pips. Naughty. It's hard being an alien. Keefy! Keepzilla. So yeah, we'll see if gold wants to break below this level. Let's see what you got, gold. See if you can live up to all the shit you were saying during the messages. I'm dropping a video tonight after this stream, you guys. A long format YouTube video. Who wants to see the thumbnail? It's so dumb, actually. All right, let's show you. Why are YouTube thumbnails always cringe when you see them, but then like... It's a, this is going to be a video talking about leaving my job and going into trading full time. So, keep your eyeballs out. Wow, look at this. This would have to be like 100 pip candle, is it? It's literally 100 pips. Sound is crackling? God damn it, man. I'd hate to do it, but I might literally have to end the stream in a minute. Sounds fine to me. Okay, we'll see. And your microphone isn't working well. That's a few. No, it's on TikTok. It's glitching out on TikTok. Sounds good. Oh, hey, TikTok, I'm going to cut you guys off and then come back. Go and get. Oh my God, it's working normal now. It was fucking TikTok. TikTok was the issue. All right, let's have a look here. I mean, I'm probably going to have to take a sell. It's different with Forex. You can't have to have your hand on the trigger. I'm not used to this platform yet. I'm going to let this breathe a little bit. I'm not going to enter just yet. I really want to enter at the break of the previous wick, to be honest. That might be a bit of a stretch, but like down near there. Yeah, it's fine on YouTube. I'll put a thing here. I am in. Yeah, fair enough, my dude. So I'm juggling like 9 different accounts and things over here. Yeah, I'm sure I can enter a manual limit thing. $3409. Five lots. Did that work? Bruh. This platform's doing my head in. Oh, there we go. Why is that not on automatically? Like, let's be honest. 5 is a lot. Your boy's a lot to handle. Your boy's a lot to handle. This platform here, you guys, I've got a 50% discount code off these Forex guys here. If you're a Forex trader, 50% off. You can see the code right there, or it's in the description, Holmes50. Prop FX. Prop FX. Prop FX. Radio. You know, there's a lot of shit down here that range I feel like wants to be filled to some degree. At least to this minor level here. Alternatively, if this closes how it is, I'll still be interested. Where are you targeting for sells? I don't know. I'll, you know, kind of get to here and maybe take off some size. Just get a good little push out of it, really. Yeah, it's a good idea, trader. You're gonna enter this? Yeah, I've got an order sitting there if it wants to flip. Like, it's a bit overextended, but we're just pushing down so much. Like, I mean, we'll see. I'm gonna be a bit more strict with like the parameters I give it though. Like, I really want it to flip in the next couple minutes. Or alternatively, hold like this. See, now that it's doing this, this is even a better sign. I'm going to move my sell stop up a little bit. I'm going to move it up a little bit. And you might be saying, well, how do you do that? And I'm like, bro, can't you see me doing it really simply here? Just clicking and dragging. What the fuck? How hard is it? Click, drag. Oh my God, fuck this shit. I'm just going to enter it manually. Fuck, man. These guys are killing me, bro. All right, it's rejected pretty hard here. I mean, the reality is if it flips, I'll probably put my sell stop a little bit lower now, around there. Because if it were to flip from here, which it's not going to, there's a high probability of it continuing then. Yeah, just delete this for now. It's not going to flip. Which I'm kind of glad. I'd rather it not right now. I'd rather it cook up a little bit longer. I'd definitely rather this cook up a little bit longer, to be brutally honest. We'll revenge trade everything. Ariel. Wait for the 30-minute. Yeah, that might be a good idea. You know, we've only got 7 minutes for that. So let price cook a little bit. It's been working a lot today. So like, let's just let it cook a bit. No rush. No rush, man. Potential sells at NQ. Let's have a look. Wow, look at NQ moving up over here. Um, no, I wouldn't want to sell NQ right now. I don't think I'd want to sell NQ right now. I haven't got a read on NQ at all, to be honest. Because even if this does come down here and the 30 flips, you still got this massive wick that'll probably want to be retested. Yeah, I haven't got much of a read on NQ right now. If gold can come down here and hold small body here, I'll still look at taking a trade. Do you backtest? Sometimes, yeah, sometimes. I think it's really good. Like if you got the MT5 simulator, I think it's a really good idea. To just, all you guys in the mentorship as well, you should really get that MT5 simulator. You can just run through strategy in real time. Did you get your hair? Nah, my hair's still a bomb. Hence the hat. Yeah, if gold can hold out like this and close green like this, I'll probably be interested in an impulse sell. Kick TikTok in the guts. Yeah, it took an NQ breakout over here earlier on 2 of these accounts. When are you moving to Dubai? Bro, honestly, could be in a couple weeks. Yeah, I don't know what happened with TikTok. I just did an update, so now it's glitching again. I'll have to delete it or something. What up, AD? This is Forex. What up, Az? Hope you're well, brother. It's been a hot minute. It's been a hot minute. What was your Asia trade? Yeah, it took an Asia L over here. These candles coming down here. How glitchy this is. This green can printed here. This red one wicked down. I was anticipating a continuation up. Got tagged in here. You know, trying to ride it back up to this range to here, and it failed to do that. It came back down, tagged me out, danced around, and cruised. I brought at 23. I don't know what you mean, bro. Yeah, I don't know about... what does this look like on Forex? Wow, today you lag like hell. Voices. Is it still lagging, Goldie? Goldie, is it still lagging like that? It's lagging. All right, you guys on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube if you want to come over. I'm going to end the TikTok stream today. I'll catch you on YouTube. Damn, TikTok done updated something. All right, sorry guys. Oh, it's better again. Do you trade the London session? Bro! What platform do Prop XP use? They use their own platform. It's this platform here. You can kind of switch between TradingView automatically, which is cool. The biggest thing is you have to remember there's a little, when you enter a trade or you set a trade, there's a little eye icon in here. And you click that on to see your position. But yeah, they made their own platform. Ever thought about TradeZella? Yeah, I did use it for a while, but I just didn't like it. I didn't like that it all did it automatically for me. Like, I journal because I want to track my data. And, I mean, I want to kind of face the pain of the L trades and shit like that. And when it's all done automatically for you, it's kind of lame. And like a lot of people use it, a lot of gurus use it, and they just put in their data manually and then show all you guys, and you guys think it's legit because it's, you know, it's a TradeZella platform, but I can put in there just my winning trades and be like, yeah, I've smashed this month, but you're only putting in your winning trades. And it looks all fancy and shit. I don't know. I just like to trade journal the L's and that's about it. Shadow Bear. Bro, the spreads on Prop X is their biggest like benefit, like their biggest cool thing about them. Spreads are like a pip. Spreads on average are a pip and a half, which is crazy. I've used prop firms where I'm not even joking. It's like 4.5 pips. Sometimes even goes up to 6 and shit. Yeah, the 30 does look great, but you know, the 15's got this big fat green candle sitting there. Do you backtest on TV or some other app? The backtesting software I use is called MT5 Simulator. Just a fake casual. They're pretty similar, man. I'll do a proper breakdown, Kashi, if you remember after this. I'll film the breakdown, actually. Story Bridge. She looking purple. But when it comes to slippage, they suck. I don't think you'll run into slippage with Forex. Like, it's really spread that's going to get you. Slippage will get you on futures more than Forex. But no, I had amazing execution on the 1 or 2 trades I have taken with these guys so far, to be honest. Execution. Yeah, so we've got a lot of red, don't we? Fucking hell, the momentum, like just the angle in which it's dropping here is crazy. NQ bull. I mean, we have got to make a decision here. If NQ breaks above this level, we'll move it to about there based on these two here. Yeah, we're going to have to decide if we want to kill it. Which prop account do you recommend? Any, bro. They're all the same. Just whatever you choose. It's personal preference. Personal preference, brethren. To be honest, NQ's got the better potential setup, I feel. I don't know which one it is, micros or minis. What one do we use? Micros or minis? Whatever MGC is. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see if we get some volume kicking in here. Like, you know, you guys probably know by now how it is when you get that crazy volatility during fucking Asia. It's like, bruh, what about us? What about us London boys? Please, please. So, have we got much news this week as well? Core retail sales tomorrow. Unemployment claims. FOMC on Wednesday. Okay. FOMC, I fully predicted. I feel like Wednesday could be the day that we fucking push up. I said this morning, I was like, man, it might not be till Wednesday that we push up to all-time high. And it just so happens to coincide nicely with FOMC. Which platform are you trading? I'm using Bullinox and also Prop XP. This is Prop XP 100K account, and this is Bullinox 100K accounts. Yeah, that's right, Kashi. I set fire. Yeah, you guys, so keep an eye out if you're interested to hear my trading story. At about 8 p.m. or 7:30 p.m. Your boy's dropping it. And you might be like, who's holding that sign that says fired there? I don't know. I guess you'll find out. Could have been a ghost. Keen Cody. The Bali guy. Is that your employer? Yeah, I guess. I guess. Yeah, in theory, I guess that's who that freaking invisible arm floating in the air meant to be. Yeah, I don't even know. It's a good video. It's literally just me yapping, telling my story, pretty much. Because when I was coming up in trading, man, I used to fucking be obsessed with watching. I would just type into YouTube, my trading journey, and I would watch other people make YouTube videos about their trading journey from where they were to where they became as a full-time trader. I was obsessed. I've watched them all because I was like, man, I want to see other people's story. I want to know that this is real, and like I want to hear how other people did it. So I watched them all. So it's crazy to go full circle and be like, yeah, maybe I'll make one. They get a heap of views. Do they really? I can't even remember if they do. Yeah, we'll see if NQ wants to break above here. I mean, why do I do this? I could literally just go fucking... And then this one, NQ. That's so much easier. But yeah, we jumped on the Asia stream this morning, took a small L over here on gold. Beautiful setup, just didn't play out. And then typically when these like ideal scenarios don't play out, what happens after that is this. Because it's like, it should have pushed there. Like in theory, like using the statistics that we have on this actual setup, but it didn't. And I was like, bro, there was something brewing up underneath that gold was going down today, no matter what. Toby, it didn't end up happening. I had to reschedule it. Yeah, I rescheduled it. Keep an eye on NQ for the minute. Nice, Cody. Beautiful. Surgery for what? Oh, I just had to get this like lump cut out of my hip, really. There's actually like a couple, but they're nothing like hectic. It's just like some kind of weird build-up that it's relatively large. Like, and then just like, I was like, can you guys just cut the shit out? I don't want a fucking lump on my hip. Nah, it's not a cyst. It's like some sort of fatty build-up. But yeah, I was gonna say, you know, a lot of the times you'll come into Monday and the very first trade you take for the week will be an L. And that's like a true test of discipline because, you know, you've been waiting all weekend, you feel like you've done the reflecting, you feel like you've done the work mentally and you're ready to go into the new week. And then God's just like, oh, okay, here's an L. How are you gonna deal with that? Lymphoma, yeah, that's exactly what it is. And then that's where like the disciplined trader has to make a decision like, okay, I took the thing, I did the stuff, I took an L, it's out of my control. This is a game of probabilities. And you can either fight back to try and get that win back, which really proves nothing, or you can be like, well, I stuck to my rules, I did the thing and took an L. On to the next. Nice rally. You only want buys today? Bro, we're moving down so aggressively though. I wouldn't want to go against that personally. MC Degas. What up, what up, what up? MC Hammer. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream, gang. Can we get to 100 likes over here? Is that humanly possible? 44 likes! There's been 1,000 people here, only 44 likes. I'm a loser. First L of the week. Wait, what do you mean first L of the week? Set the mood. There should never be a mood on trading. It's just rinse and repeat. L's do fuck with emotions, but if your edge is profitable, you got to keep showing up. But it shouldn't fuck with your emotions. Like, because you have to like really understand that we're just a casino. Like you can't win them all, even if it is an A+ setup. And if you take an L and let it hit you an emotional level, then you're not trading like professionally. You're trading based on emotion then. And that's where things can spiral out of control. 200 L, now I'm up 450. Nice, nice. Yeah, I'm down from the L on 2 of my accounts and my other 2 accounts up a decent amount. Very nice, Toby. What's Bitcoin doing? Oh, wow. Bitcoin really pushed up over here. Unbelievable. I want to buy silver. I want to buy silver like for a long-term position. Interesting. Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, you got to treat Monday just the same as any other day. But trading fucking um Asia on a Monday is it's pretty risky. I don't know if I'm gonna keep doing the Asia stream on a Monday. If this can wick up, I'm semi-interested in taking an impulse sell to break that previous 15. The 30's still open. The 30 kind of closed below. We've got a 30 wick down here. I do feel like we want to gravitate below here. I mean, if we get a decent wick up here, I might be interested. Then anyway, you can move the frames. Let's see what chart you have up. You can see the chart here. Look, MGC in the middle, in the background, the watermark. Do you trade live Asia as well? Oh, just for the guys in the mentorship. Yeah, just in the mentorship, we trade Asia every morning. Do you think that gold swept more liquidity and reacts on 50% of the high? I don't know about any of that, Dennis. I don't know about any of that, my dude. Sorry. What do you think about the 4 hour with no top wick? Let's have a look at the 4 hour. Good call. On Forex, on futures. Yeah, it doesn't mean anything to me. It just means there's volume pushing down more than anything personally. Just looks like there's so much volume pushing down that it didn't even fucking create a top wick. I can't even fucking zoom in here, man. I think I executed a sell on this fucking platform. I can't see my order at all. Oh, here we go. Put my stop above this wick here, up these wicks up here. Like, yeah, if you look at the 30, it looks quite nice how the 30's flipping now, right? What's going on here? We'll see. Can you trade US 30 on Bullinox? I don't think so, because I'm pretty interested to look into. Not interested. I've thought about US 30 though. But yeah, I don't think you can. Big Kev, what up? What up? Yeah, stop loss at the high of this 30-minute candle. I mean, if it breaks on wick, then you're just not right. You're wrong. NPC. Yeah, I don't know, bro. Oh shit. I don't know about all that. We've got a little pop here. We'll see if we can get a bit more out of it. Wow, look at the 4 hour on Forex. Oh my God. This position I put on 0.01 lots. I swear I put 5 in. I swear I put 5 lots in. Fucking hell. Oh, nice blue. Did that go to 15 pips? Fuck. You might have made a good choice there. Yeah, you're right. Wow. Okay. If I get cooked here, then that's my negligence. Beautiful. Beautiful at taking that, taking some size off of 15 there. US 30 gets adrenaline going, UVs. Does it? Yeah, I've never really watched US 30 at all, to be honest. But I know, like, actually, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. NQ and gold are enough for me, I think. I think NQ and gold are enough to keep me freaking stressing. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, nice. No, good management. W trade. Yeah, like this platform here, it's similar to TradingView. It's called Project X. And yeah, like you said, it is so much fucking easier, man. Like, it just so much smoother. So much smoother. You'll blow your account if you don't have good risk management. Laugh my ass off. Don't take the trade if you don't think it's... I mean, if this breaks its bottom wick here one more time, I'll take 85% off and go to BE. You can do it, buddy. Just a little pop. You can do it. Just a little pop goes your weasel. Oh wow, this is an hour closure. I'm out. I should have taken off sides there, but I wanted to get out now. The hour's closing here in a minute. W trade, yeah. Like, if we look at the pip amount, that was kind of my negligence there for not taking some size off. Oh, my screen just went black. Oh, I'm back. The reality is that was, yeah, a good 15 pips or something there. Wise decision. Yeah, W management. I would have held longer if this 1 hour wasn't closing here. I really wanted this to pop like now-ish, but the fact that it's retracing back up to my entry, but yeah, this is like kind of an impulse type 2 play where the 30-minute had already engulfed this shit and wicked up, and then there's a high probability of it wanting to continue down and fill some of this range down here. But yeah, good decision made there for sure. How much would you usually take over 8 to 15 picks? Probably like 85% of the position. Depends on the scenario. Yeah, it depends on the scenario. But WBE trade there. Maybe a slither in profit, but good management. Good management. Strategy, is it okay if the wicks go back resistance line when it retests? Yeah. Like if you mean if there's a level of resistance here and then a wick, like you're looking to sell it down it, but a wick goes up through the resistance and then it pushes down, you take a sell there. That's fine. That's what you want. You want to see it fail to break above. You want to see it fail to break above. So what's this 1 hour looking like? Wow, a lot of 1 hour red candles. Yeah, because the idea here as well was like, you know, if this 30 kind of engulfed here closed below these levels on the 30, like check this out. 30 closed below that level here, wicked up, and on the 15 it showed like a type 2 kind of situation where we take that impulse type 2 scenario setup, which you guys know, you guys in the mentorship know. This is really it here. And the reality is I should have taken off size there where it got to that target point. But I was fucking around and looking at this bullshit and like where I accidentally put on too low of size and so we'll see. We'll see what this candle wants to do. But yeah, if this closes here, guys, I don't know. I'm pretty keen to call it a day. Like we've moved so much and it's a Monday. Hey, you guys, remember what we were talking about, how the range has already been filled? You could look at this and be like, oh, it's a nice type 2 setup in terms of the candle bodies. But look, the range has been filled. Sleep for New York, yeah. Yeah, gold's most likely just going to cook here until New York now. It's just going to cook around till New York, most likely. A lot of range down here. Look how naked this range is, like clean it is to the left. Clean range to the left here. Is NQ going to break above now, is it? Yeah, so we've got a minute and a half of these candles. Let's see how these candles close. God damn it, Enki, you're going to make me take another trade. You're going to make me take another trade. Yeah, there's a lot of like pretty clean freaking range. I mean, I haven't got much of a read like on NQ in terms of, kind of looks like it's going down. But up, I don't know. All right, so NQ closed above that range there quite nicely. Gold's just whatever. Still a quick bit of an analysis here on NQ. It's a 4 hour. This is a very heavy 4 hour, like a pretty heavy 4 hour rejection level. Yeah. 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 Very bullish on the 1 hour and shit like that. Bullish on the 30. And the 15 closed above it. Interesting area. Oh, wow. I mean, if we could reject from here, but it's kind of pushing it now. If it breaks its bottom week one more time, we're cooked. All right, gang. Love you guys. Dub BE trade if anyone else took this before. It's a Monday, man. Just let price cook till New York. If you're someone that trades New York, just let it cook through London. Just let price cook now through London and come back with New York. It's just going to fuel up probably for a few hours and then come back for New York. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for jumping on. Happy Monday. Be safe and love you guys, and I'll catch up with you tomorrow. And I'm going to drop a video tonight on this channel, so keep your eyes peeled. See you guys.